Alright, hello again. This is Solo. Not a very big update today because sadly I've had that seasonal crud that goes along every now and then. So, have not been very much. I made it so that it's in the works right now so that you can easily change the start button to pretty much whatever you want. Go over to settings. More or less right here where it says tiles, it'll say tile background, then it'll say start orbs. When you click on start orbs, it'll list all of them, and when you click here, it'll apply the orb, the hover, and the click. So just because I know people are going to ask for it, I figured I might as well do it. Anyway, the new thing in this build is alphabetic sorting. If you'll notice, the metro tile is no longer there option because it's now built in alphabetic sorting. There's an example. I'm going to enable it. As you can tell, I'm using the small icons from tiles, the app icon. And there's A, C, F, G, I, M, you know, all that kind of stuff. Thing is, you can now use it with metro tiles. So it's sort of back and forth backwards. If you go over to and disable alphabetic sorting, and I'll go over to all, you get the name of the folders above it, which some people said, hey, why don't you do this? That'll also make sense. I'm trying to figure out how to make these collapsible so that all that you'll see is the name of the folders, and when you click them, it'll expand to show you the icons that are in there. That's the current get to area I'm trying to get to. I figure once I can get there, it'll be real nice. Easy to use, that way people won't hopefully complain about it being a waste of space. Another option is the no sorting at all, which is pretty much everything's vomited in front of you. You have no choice of if it's sorted or not. A good example is this is as it's going through the folders, finding whatever links it can and just putting it up there. There's no sorting to it. This is how it originally was. Now, for some unknown reason, if you like that original setting, it's in here for you, but I had a lot of complaints about it, so I pulled it out. You'll notice every time I enable this, it goes back over to the fave folder. I'm working on code now that, well, the code's actually in there. It will remember, and it does remember where the last place you're at, and it'll just do that. Here's why I did the alphabetic sorting. Go over to pinned. You'll see double twist right here, and then there's double twist again, several copies of Chrome, and actually that's no sorting at all. The reason why it's like that is because it recurses 3 different folders. There's the taskbar right there. This is items that's actually pinned to your taskbar, as you can see right here on mine. And this is items that are pinned to your start menu, and this is items that's in your quick launch, and such. Anyway, I just try to make it so that it's a bit easier to use. But I had a lot of people say, well, I go over to pinned and I have like 4 or 5 copies of one app. Why is that there? Well, it's because you have like that one link spammed through 4 or 5 different folders. If it's really asked for, that is, if even one person asks for it, I'll put it in there so that the right click to delete is in there, and you can just delete your unnecessary links like that. Granted, if you do that on, say, something like the taskbar, you know, say if I have right click to delete and you click on Google Chrome, it is going to disappear from over here. So that's just a warning. Alright, just want to let you know. Anyway, that's what I've been working on. Hopefully I will be better in the next day or two, and I can push in another update or not. You may or may not have noticed that there's a search button here. I am working on searching. I actually have a unique idea on searching that I'm looking into. It requires no text typing whatsoever. Basically, you click here, it'll give you, like, go over here to all, and we'll do alphabetic sorting. See A, C, F. When you click on this, it'll give you all of these headers in a special area right here. and you click on that and it'll list all of those programs that's in there, that's in that sorting method. Say you click over here and you click G. Alright, well, it will automatically kill everything that's up here and list everything that begins with a G. I think that's kind of a new way on doing sorting, such as is that you don't have to touch the keyboard. Anyway, I hope y'all have a good day. Bye.